Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Check out all these cool monster trucks we found. We got 32 degrees, pure muscle, glow in the dark pure muscle, megalodon, monster mutt Dalmatian, buns of steel, the Joker, Gravedigger, Toxic Tiger Shark, Water Zombie, Blue Zombie, Hot Wheels Racing number 84, Fire Truck to put out the fires, and Gungster. Gungster, what are you doing? Are you up to no good? Oh, all you guys are gonna get gunked. 1, 2, 3, get gunked. You got gunked. Whoa, they all just flew right off of there. It's pretty cool. Let's set them all in a line now. The fire truck can help put out the fire. There's Gungster, 32 degrees, buns of steel, pure muscle, glow in the dark pure muscle, the Joker, Gravedigger, Megalodon, Tiger Shark, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, and Blue Zombie. Let's see if there's anything underneath here. Oh look, some more got trapped. Oh, there's Hot Wheels Racing number 84 back there. And here's Monster Mutt Dalmatian, the regular one. And we got SpongeBob. Ooh, that's pretty cool. And Night Shifter number 22. And we got Troll. We got cool blue hairdo. Let's get them all in a line. And the fire truck goes over here too. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Troll, SpongeBob, Blue Zombie, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, got grass all over it, Megalodon, pure muscle, glow in the dark pure muscle, the Joker, buns of steel, 32 degrees, Gungster, who gunked everybody, Gravedigger, Toxic Tiger Shark, Hot Wheels Racing number 84, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, number 22 Night Shifter, and don't forget the cool fire truck over here that we found. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 different monster trucks. That's a lot of monster trucks. Which one was your favorite today? I really like this one that was hiding underneath that bin, Monster Mutt Dalmatian. It's really cool. It's got dots all over it. It's a really sweet dog, isn't it? It's pretty neat. And also, the purple one's pretty cool too. Plus, who doesn't like Megalodon? That's a really cool looking monster truck. It's a mean looking shark. It's super, super fast. It's pretty cool. Well, we'll see you next time, friends. Thanks for watching.